As everyone anticipated, global gold production went down because of the pandemic. What's worse, the world's top gold producers haven't totally recovered from the pandemic, and smaller producers are overtaking them. More specifically, Australia's gold production is set to surpass China. According to an analyst at the Surbiton Associates, a Melbourne-based gold mining consulting firm, Australia production was down 4% from the first quarter of 2020. That poor performance is still better than China, which is the world's top gold producer. As expected, people are trying to downplay this situation. They said while gold output for the quarter was down considerably, there's no cause for concern, but because the first quarter is historically always the slowest. Australia is anticipating the production to pick up. The problem doesn't lie in Australia's gold production. The problem lies in the fact that Australia is emerging on top of the gold production just because the rest of the world is having a hard time producing. China claimed their gold production in March of 2021 totaled 74.44 tons. If that is true, that would be 5,000 more ounces compared to Australia, but still down 9% compared to last year. Australia doesn't believe that figure. They said it must be taken with caution. Basically what they're saying is they don't believe what China's putting out there. And I don't know why China continues to tank in gold production. It could be because of COVID-19. It could be because of tightening environmental regulations. It also could be because of depleting resources. Really, at the end of the day, for investors like us, it doesn't really matter. What matters is the whole world acknowledges gold demand is up, and it keeps on increasing yearly. 2020 saw an unprecedented growth of gold demand, and it's not just because of investors and central banks wanting gold to hedge their investments, it's also because of gold's industrial demand maturing. Yes, we've always scratched the surface of gold's industrial demand. We're already in a steady short of supply. If you haven't invested in gold yet, I believe you're making a huge mistake. The asset is going to more than double in value in the years to come when the dollar continues to weaken. Get into it now while there's still huge gains you could possibly make. If you're interested in investing in precious metals and you want to talk to a no-hassle representative that has experience in physical metal, give us a call. Phone number is 877-646-5347. Our phone lines are always open, and we're happy to answer any of your questions.